Harvesting the energy of moving water to produce electricity. Hydroelectric power system convert the kinetic energy in flowing water into electricity energy. Hydropower is available by creating dams in stream and river flow. Hydropower generation is an established technology and maybe as much as one-fifth of the world electricity is generated this way, which is slightly more than by nuclear generation. Dam control the flow of water and create a reservoir of water and above for energy use when need. Penstock pipe channeling water from dam to the penstock pipe channeling water from penstock pipe channeling water from the dam to the turbines. Penstock pipe channeling water from the dam to the turbine large blade attached to the cylinder that move when water push against it. Generator parts connected to the turbine that create the electricity by moving large magnet. There are six type of turbine. First is Francis, fixed pitch propeller, Turgot, Pelton, Kaplan, and Crossflow. All of them present the turbines come in variety of shapes. They are also considerably in size from as little as third of meter to some 20 times this. Firstly is Francis turbine. Has circular plate fixed to the rotation perpendicular to its surface and passing through it to its center. The water enters the casing under pressure and is guided through a set of fixed or adjustable slots called guide vanes around the casing, which direct the flow of water to the turbine blades at the correct angle. The Francis turbine is suitable for low to medium head application but require a relative large quantity of water. Fixed pitch propeller turbine consists of a propeller similar to a ship propeller fit, fit inside a continuation of the penstock tube. The turbine shaft passes out of the tube at the point where the tube changes direction. Usually has 3 to 6 blades. 3 in the case of very low head unit, and the water flow is regulated by static plate of swivel wicket gates just upstream of the propeller. This kind of propeller turbine is known as the fixed plate axial flow turbine because the pitch angle of the rotor blades cannot be changed. Advantage of hydroelectric energy. Renewable. Hydropower is completely renewable, which means it will never run out unless the water stops flowing. As a result, hydroplanes are built to last. In some cases, equipment that was built to last 25 years is still operational after double the amount of time has passed. Second, emission-free. The creation of hydroelectric does not release emission into the atmosphere. This is, of course, the biggest appeal of any renewable energy source. Third, reliable. Hydropower is by far the most reliable renewable energy available in the world. Unlike when the sun goes down or when the wind dies down, water usually has constant and steady flow 24 hours.
Disadvantage. First, impact of fish. To create a hydro plant, a running water source must be dammed. This prevents fish from reaching the breeding ground, which in turn affects any animal that relies on those fish for food. As the water stops flowing, riverside habitat begin to disappear. This can even remove animals from accessing water. Second, limited plant location. While hydropower is renewable, there are limited places in the world that are suitable for plant construction. On top of this, some of these places are not close to major cities that could fully benefit from the energy. Third, higher initial cost. While no power plant is easy to build, hydro plant do require you to build a dam to stop running water. As a result, they cost more than similarly sized fossil fuel plants.